morning, students. In the previous class, we completed up to exercise 3.3 in polynomials. Today, we will discuss about division of polynomials. If p of x and g of x are any two polynomials, and g of x not equal to 0, then we can find two polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So this is same as division algorithm in numbers. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, where this r of x equal to 0. This remainder may be 0 or degree of r of x or r of x not equal to 0. Next, degree of r of x always less than degree of g of x. So we call this as division algorithm for polynomials. So this is called division algorithm of polynomials. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, where this remainder may be 0 or not equal to 0. Degree of this remainder always less than degree of the divisor. So this is about divisional algorithm of polynomials. So if you have taken any polynomial, when you are dividing that polynomial with another polynomial, you will get quotient and remainder. So if this polynomial is factor of this polynomial, you will get remainder as 0. Otherwise, you will get remainder as other than 0. So degree of this divisor is always greater than degree of the remainder. So this is about division algorithm of polynomials. So based on this, you have two Romans in your exercise. So we will do those problems now. Example 8. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Divide 3x square, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Example 8. Example 8. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So you have to divide this polynomial by x plus 2. So here this is divisor and this is dividend. Already you know how to divide polynomials. Already you learned this in your previous class, that is 9th class. So dividend you have to write. So to get the first term of the quotient, you have to divide first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So first term of the dividend is 2x square by first term of the divisor is x. So when you are dividing these two, so that is the first term of the quotient here, 2x. After writing this first term of the quotient, you have to multiply this coefficient with divisor. So here x into 2x, 2x square plus 2 into 2x, 4x. So to remove x square term, you have to subtract here, then signs becomes change, plus becomes minus, 2x square gets cancelled, plus 3x minus 4x, minus x plus 1. Again, first term of the quotient, first term of the dividend is now minus x, first term of the divisor is x. So x1. So minus 1 is the second term of the quotient. So x into minus 1 minus x plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So to remove x we have to subtract here. So signs becomes change. Minus x plus x cancel. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 is the remainder. Here quotient equal to 2x minus 1. Remainder equal to 3. So in this way you can divide any two polynomials. You can divide any polynomial with another polynomial. So you get the quotient and remainder. Suppose if this remainder is 0, this is called factor of this dividend. So this is about example 8. Now example 9. Example 9 also you have to do in the same manner. So you can do that example 9. Now I will tell you example 10. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square and verify division algorithm. So you have to divide first polynomial with another polynomial and you have to verify the division algorithm. So whenever we are dividing any two polynomials, first we have to observe whether the degree of those two polynomials are in descending order. So degree descending order lo undelaga andulo terms undali. See, when you observe this, here degree 2, degree 3, degree 1, degree 5. So this is not in descending order. You have to write based on the descending order of the degree of the terms. So here highest degree is this one. So first you have to write first term like that. So that is the dividend, minus x cube. Next to x square term plus 3x square. Next degree 1 minus 3x plus 5. Based on the descending order of their degree. Descending order means highest to lowest. So highest degree is 3, next 2, next 1, next 5. Based on that order you have to write. So this dividend you have to divide with, here also you have to write this in the same manner. Here degree 1, degree 0, degree 2. So first you have to write degree 2 term, minus x square. Next to degree 1 term there is no sign, means plus you have to consider plus x. Next to degree 0 minus 1. So next you have to do in the same manner. So to find the first term of the quotient, what you have to do? First term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. Minus minus gets cancelled. X square in x square. Here x cube we can write x square into x square cancel. You get x. So minus x square into x minus x cube. Next, when you multiply these two, minus 1 into x minus x. So minus x is, x term is here. That's why you have to write minus x here. Minus x. So when you subtracting this, minus becomes plus. So these two gets cancelled. Now degree 2 term you have to write 3x square. Here minus becomes plus, means minus 3x plus x minus 2x. Again, first term of the quotient by dividend by first term of the divisor. 3x square by minus x square. X square gets cancelled. You will get minus 3. So minus x square into minus 3. 3x square. So here constant is plus 5. Minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. So that is the constant. That's why we have tried that constant here. So plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. These two gets cancelled. So minus 2x you have to write. Plus 5 minus 3 plus 2. So when you observe the remainder, here degree of the divisor is 2, degree of the remainder is 1. So degree of the remainder always less than degree of the divisor. That's why up to here we can stop the dealing. So here quotient equal to x minus 3, remainder equal to minus 2x plus 2. So what they are asking, divide this by this and verify the division algorithm. We are dividing this polynomial with this polynomial. We are getting the quotient as x minus 3 and remainder as minus 2x plus 2. You have to check this by using division algorithm. What is division algorithm? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the division algorithm. Here what is the dividend? This is the dividend. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. This dividend equal. What is the divisor? Minus x square plus x minus 1 into quotient is x minus 3 plus remainder is minus 2x plus 2. So when you simplifying this, right hand side also you have to get this same dividend you have to get. So multiplying this, what is this one? This is trinomial because this is having 3 terms. This is binomial, this is having 2 terms. So when you multiplying this trinomial with binomial, so x into this total value, x into minus x square minus x cube, x into plus x square, x into minus 1 minus x. Similarly with minus 3 into minus x square plus 3x square, minus 3 into x minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 minus 2x plus 2. No, minus x cube plus 3x square x cube x square minus x minus 3x plus 3x square plus 3x x into minus x square minus x cube x into x square x into minus 1 minus x. Similarly minus 3 into minus x square plus 3x square minus 3 into plus x minus 3x minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 what is the dividend here? Okay, when you are dividing this minus x square into x minus x cube, again plus x into x, you will get x square. So minus x square into x minus x cube plus x into x square minus 1 into x minus x. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. 3x square minus x square, 2x square, minus 3x plus x minus 2x plus 5. Again 2x square by minus x square, you will get minus 2. So 2x square you will get x into minus 2 minus 2x, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. Now subtracting this, you will get plus 2x minus 2x cancel, plus 5 minus 2, 3 is the remainder. Now quotient is x minus 2, remainder is 3. So in the same way you have to do here. What is the quotient here? X minus 2, remainder is 3. Minus x square into x, minus x cube, x into plus x square, x into minus 1, minus x, again minus 2 into minus x square, plus 2x square, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Now minus x cube, plus x square, plus 2x square, plus 3x square, minus x, minus 2x, minus 3x, plus 3. Again constants, plus 2, plus 3, plus 5. So same we are getting here. Here what is dividend? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. So in the right hand side also we are getting minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. So in this way you can check the division algorithm for any two polynomials. So here we are dividing this polynomial with x minus 1 minus x square. Whenever we are dividing two polynomials, first you have to write those polynomials as based on descending order of their degree. So here degree 3, degree. They are not given in descending order. That's why we are writing first in descending order. Degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. Like that in descending order we are writing the first polynomial. Second polynomial also we are writing in the same manner. Degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. After dividing this, we are getting quotient as x minus 2, remainder as 3. To check this, verify the division algorithm they are asking. That's why we are verifying the division algorithm here. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend I am writing here. Divisor into quotient is x minus 2 plus remainder is 3. So by simplifying this, we are getting the same dividend here. So in this way you can verify division algorithm of any two polynomials. Next one. Exercise 3.4 first problem. So in exercise 3.4 first problem, we have three problems. I'll delete two problems. Third problem you have to do. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient remainder in each of the following. So first one. So exercise 3.4 first problem. First one. P of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, g of x equal to x square minus 2. So here you have to find the remainder and quotient. So first you have to check whether the given polynomials are in descending order based on their degree or not. Degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0, degree 2, degree 1. So these are in descending order. Here constant means degree is 0. So x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. This you have to divide with x square minus 2. So first term of the dividend is x cube. First term of the divisor is x square. X cube by x square, you will get x. First term of the quotient. So x square into x cube. Here x term is not there. That's why you won't get x square term here. You will get x term. So minus 2 into x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x here. This is x square term. This is x term. Here you have to write x term. Minus 2x. Now subtracting this, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now next term you have to write minus 3x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 7x minus 3. Now x square minus 3x square by x square, you get minus 3. So minus 3x square minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Now subtracting this, minus becomes plus. So plus becomes minus. Now you will get 7x minus 6 minus 3 minus 9. This is the remainder. Why? Because here degree of quotient divisor is 2, degree of remainder is 1. So degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor. That's why you can stop the division. So suppose if you want to write other than this, if you want to write x cube term, x square term and x term, here x square term is there, x term is not there. So you can write x term as 0 into x. In that way also you can do. See, in the dividend they gave x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Divisor they gave x square minus 2, x square. X term not there, that's why I am writing plus 0x minus 2. Now x square into x cube, 0x into x, 0x square. 0x square nothing but 0. I am writing that one plus 0x square minus 2 into x minus 2x. So plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Subtracting minus 3 and 0, you will get minus 3 only. So plus 5 plus 2 plus 7x minus 3. X square into minus 3 minus 3x square. 0x into minus 3, 0x only. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Plus becomes minus. So 7x minus 9. So in this way also you can do it. Instead of x square term, here x term is not there. In place of x term, you can write 0x also, and you can do the division like this also. Otherwise, you can do like this. But whenever you are dividing like this, here after x cube term you will get x term. You won't get x square term. That you have to write in the x term only. So here what is the quotient? Quotient is x minus 3. Remainder is 7x minus 9. So for this problem you have to find quotient and remainder. So quotient is x minus 3, remainder is 7x minus 9. We can do any one of these, either this one or this one, based on your convenient. You can do any one of these two. Next, third problem. P of x equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. G of x equal to 2 minus x square. See here, after degree 4, degree 3 not there, degree 2 not there, degree 1 term is there, constant degree. So instead of degree 3 and degree 2, we can write 0. So x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. So in this way you can write. Next, based on the descending order of their degrees, this you can write x minus x square plus 2. So minus x square. Here also x term is not there. Instead of x you can write 0x plus 2. Now x power 4 by minus x square you will get minus x square. So minus x square into minus x square, x power 4. 0x into minus x square, 0x cube. 2 into minus x square, minus 2x square. So subtracting these, plus becomes minus, minus, minus becomes plus. When you are adding 0x cube, you will get 0. That's why I am not writing here. 0x square plus 2x square, you will get 2x square. So next term is minus 5x. Next is plus 6. Why I am taking 3 terms here means here we are having 3 terms. So again 2x square by minus x square, you will get minus 2. So minus x square into minus 2 2x square, 0x into minus 2, 0x, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, plus becomes minus, this cancel, so you will get minus 5x, minus becomes plus, 6 plus 4, 10. So minus 5x plus 10 is the remainder. So here quotient is minus x square minus 2, remainder is minus 5x plus 10. So this is about third problem. So I am not telling second one. Second problem you have to do. Second one is p of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x is x square plus 1 minus x. So this problem you have to do. So up to this exercise 3.4 first one is completed. We will do the remaining problems in the next session. So in this problem you have to do second problem and page number 68 example 9 also you have to do. Page number 68 example 9 and exercise 3.4 second Roman. These two problems you have to do. So we will do the remaining problems in the next session. Okay, thank you.